Here we go, Banner Fall. So hey guys, I'm doing a late night Crucible match here. I usually play with my team, but today I'm all alone here, so let's see how this goes. I've been going from like terrible matches to pretty decent ones, so hopefully this is one of the decent ones. So let's see how it goes. I think we're 4 against 5 at the moment. Let's see if my fusion rifle saves my ass here. I'm not that familiar with this map. Not making excuses in it or anything like that, but let's see.
Zone C captured.
Got it.
Enemy captured Zone A. Gained the lead. Enemy captured Zone B. Lost the lead.
Oh, dang it. Took my time there. Oh, that's right. Earlier night I played with oh, got him. Oh, he's dead, dude. Sweet. Love them stickies. Come on, guys. We got this. So earlier tonight I was playing with my hunter doing nightfall, so now I'm a bit too accustomed to do double jumping or triple jumping. What does it do there? It's not good.
Zone C lost.
Oh fuck. Oof. Too open.
Enemy captured Zone C.
Here.
They've got them all, Guardians.
Hey man, let's take this spot.
You neutralized Zone A.
Ooh, bunch of dudes are coming.
Zone A's
Got
captured. It's yours.
There's one of them. There was one of them there. Bye bye, dude. Okay. Oh, fuck. Damn it. Oh well. That's what happens when you mess up with a Sunbreaker. Ooh, I'm in a bad spot. Boom, got one. And they got me. Yeah, dude, open spot there. I should know better. Ooh, we're being massacred here. Okay. Let's go to B then. Should play a little bit safer now. There's a dude around here. Nope, I'm not going to go in there. Nope. Nice, dude. Oh, he got you. Should I self-res? Oh, the good dude's glitching. Yeah, not now. So let's go to C then. Damn, this is not going. This isn't going well, guys.
You neutralized Zone C.
Oh, got some movement.
Zone C captured.
Got it.
Zone A lost.
There's someone here.
Enemy captured
Baby.
Zone A.
Bye-bye. He's coming. Come on. Ooh, fusion rifle. Ooh, Telesta. Not good, dude. I'm not coming out from here. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, there you go. Free kill. Oh, no ammo. God damn it. Oh, fuck.
Heavy ammo inbound.
Got him. Okay, heavy ammo. Come on. Oof, dude, I don't know this map. Need some heavy.
Heavy ammo
Maybe I can get that
available.
one. No. Wait for me, dude. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give me heavy. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Nope. Did I get it? No, I didn't. God damn it. Oof. Fuck. Maybe I'll try to get him with my radiance. Yeah. There you go, another one. Boom. I love them sticky, eh, guys? Oh, dude, I'm all over the place here. It's fun, though. Dude, I really need special ammo. Just gonna wait here. Grab some. Doo-doo. Come on. I need it. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go from the back here. Yeah. Crucible's not my forte, but hey, gotta try. I'm getting some
Zone
cool
A
kills
neutralized.
though. Oh no, nice dude. See if I can grab B. Dancing. Maybe I shouldn't, but
Enemy
hell with
captured
it.
Zone A. You neutralized
Oh,
Zone
there's a dude
B.
there. Oh, nice.
You
Nice,
captured Zone
sir.
B.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, there you go. Oh, free kill. The free kill there. Boom.
5 minutes remaining.
Got B, guys. Let's move. Let's go for A here. Oh, some dudes behind me. I don't know. You can do it. Come on. You can just take A then. We don't want to grab from my fusion. Hell yeah.
You neutralized Zone A.
We'll just do that. Okay. Got him.
You captured
Dude,
Zone A.
gotta love them fusions.
All zones held. You have total control.
Oh, I need something special. Oh yeah, come here. Where to go, where to go?
Zone
This is
C
A.
lost.
I do that all over the place. B, we got B. Let's go to C.
Enemy captured Zone
I'm
C.
pushing when I know I shouldn't. Because I'm not a pusher.
Zone B lost.
Someone take me, see what the hell's going on here. Can't quite get. What does it do there? There you go. Come on, dude. You know you can do it.
Zone A lost. Enemy captured Zone A.
Oh, still got him. Let's just go for C. Dun, dun, dun. I'm still not that great with my super, so I'm not that worried about using it here. I know, guys. Heresy.
You neutralized Zone
But hey,
C.
I'm still learning how to use my super with fusions. I just want to
Enemy
get some
captured
action
Zone
done
B.
here. So,
Zone C captured.
will you? So, where should I go to? Let's see. Oh, there's a dude there. Oh, going for C already. Oh, got him. Oh, dude, this guy must be loving my sticky. Where are they coming? Oh, just do that. Got him. Oh, more dudes. Boom. Dude, this is a fusion rifle fest. Come on, guys. Oh, got him. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, look at him go. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm gonna help out on C. Maybe. Oh, no, the guy's got him. Let's go, team. Yeah. Let's go for B. Oh, fuck. Me.
Double
How
kill.
the hell did this happen? Oh. Ah. I don't know how the hell that guy
Zone
didn't
B
kill me there. It
neutralized.
was an easy target. This is why we shouldn't be losing this match. Look at me taking risks. Boom. I'm going for
1 minute.
A. Hell yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I'm doing some teamwork. Hell yeah. Where are them? Oh, these guys are coming for me, aren't they? It's not gonna be pretty. Oh, dude.
You neutralize zone A.
Ah, oh, this damn Sunsinger. What is
30 seconds remaining.
Got him. Ah, yeah. Where's A, dude? All over the place here. Come on. Got him. See, guys, this is not how you use your super. To
Only 10
waste.
seconds left.
Though I
Zone
did
A
use
is
it to
captured.
get
It's
a
yours.
point. Oh, there's a dude there. Where's he coming? Come on.
We'll learn from this defeat.
This dude again. Oh, not too shabby, I think. Still had a bunch of fun here. And that's all that matters. Huh? Not too bad. 19 kills. Sweet. It's like one of my best matches ever. And I wasn't even trying that hard. Nice. Oh, sweet, dude. Did good. Well, that's it for tonight. Gonna hit the sack. Bye-bye.